What's up guys, and welcome to the vlog. Don't know why I'm starting out here. I just figured I'd hit record right here in my daughter's little play area. Got a trampoline and built this jungle gym for her, and I just want to start off in the video saying thank you so much for all the support. I've pushed out 2 videos and I've had a lot of comments, a lot of friends, a lot of YouTubers, just everyone just showing love, saying thank you. And oh sorry, I'm saying thank you. You guys don't need to say thank you. Really appreciate it. See you in the garage. What are you guys thinking of my new truck? No. My RX-7, the black one's at my parents' place, and I brought this thing so I could go to the rubbish dump, throw away a couple trees and whatnot that I've been chopping down. We're going to be working on this. I have a little Sparco surprise here. It's a Sparco P222 steering wheel. What on earth did I do with the center thingy? It is one. Oh, there it is. I've already put on the hub. I don't know if I was supposed to. I picked up a pretty basic Nexon hub. I was supposed to get an NRG, whatchamacallit, quick release, and then I decided against it. It's MR2, I'm going to daily it. I got the cheapest hub possible, which means may or may not fit, because it kind of just said it was for Toyota. Ready to sort this thing out. So what are we doing? We're gonna open up here first of all. Needs a polish, needs a wash, needs a new steering wheel. Right, it looks like I'm gonna get my camera under here. Hopefully you guys can see. There's a screw over there, and then this plastic thing has a bunch of screw holes. Looks like just a Phillips screwdriver, and then I should be able to get this guy off. Well, obviously with the big sense nut. No airbag, so yeah, Sparco wheel it is. I'll take this thing off. Come on, T-top. Oh Jesus. Let's never ever do that again while holding my camera. Good lord, I almost dropped the fucking thing. Decided to stop recording for a bit because I am sweating like a bitch and the camera is getting in my way. It's like 40 degrees here this whole weekend, and these last few days have been crazy heat, like 34-ish degrees. My car was, the Lexus was showing like 40 degrees at one time, parked outside. So I pulled that screw off directly underneath here, and then I got these 4 screws off, which enable me to open this kind of. I'll sort it out afterwards. Steering wheel is going to be the easiest. Unplug here, that's just for the hooter button, and then undo that nut. I'll figure out what it is now. It looks like a 16, 17. I'm going to stop calling out random numbers because it's actually a 19. Oh, that was easy. I remember the RX-7, I was flipping fighting that thing for like 2 minutes. Eventually it came off. Right, so I'm going to put the hub on there. Taking a wild guess here, but this is probably what you guys hate about this channel, is I don't like do a DIY video where I'm going to say, guys, this is how I'm going to do it. I'm trying to figure out everything as I go along, and I'm just filming my way, being an idiot. Maybe I fuck it up, maybe I don't. Anyway, I'm pulling this thing off because I physically can't get it on. Made a little off-cam progress, but I haven't issued. Just thinking about it logically, I think this thing has to stay in there, otherwise if I run the horn or hooter cable and I start turning the wheel, it's going to start wrapping around, so it has to run within this thing. But this physically stops the wheel hub from getting in. I think I'm going to modify this, chop this off, solder this wire on, and then hope for the best. I do have it working though. Okay, the horn button's not on properly and all that stuff, but if I just touch that there, somewhere there. See? It's so hot in here. It's gonna be like 40 degrees. I stripped the entire shebang so I can actually see what the hell is going on. Ended up being another screw right at the bottom here. See the middle piece of the 2 holes? Another screw there. Out with the old, in with the new. I was just way too sweaty, annoyed, and just tired to film this. So I throw in the Sparco wheel. Looks pretty cool. I do have one slot issue. Not working. I need to make a plan and solder something on. So I've just put like 1 or 2 screws just holding in the dash, just for the purpose of this video. This car's not going to leave the garage for a while anyway. I mentioned in the previous one that on the T-top, you can actually see over there, I need to respray that. There's a couple of odds and ends. Obviously this needs to be polished. I'm not taking this car until it's all sorted. Lights need to go back on. That's probably something I'll do after the cutting and polish. I'm going to waste my time now and throw them on. Yeah, a couple of things to do. I've got a little sub that I want to throw in the car. It's one of those flat ones. I'm not sure exactly where I'm going to mount it. Maybe behind the seats. I do have quite a bit of space behind the seats. Maybe something like that. I don't know. I want to figure it out. I want to daily this car. I want to make it decent. And let's start this ride hard. It's like one of these videos that I'm not too sure if I'm actually going to upload. Just, I don't know, the length, and you know, while I'm filming it, this is what I'm thinking. I'm just being completely real with you guys and just telling you what's on my mind right now. If I do edit it, you probably won't be watching this. Or will you? Anyway, who knows, it might go up. I think I'm done for tonight. It's past 9 already. I've got work in the morning. Don't know why I'm showing you the battery back. Anyway, car's locked up already, Sparco wheels in. You guys saw. All you can see is my Captain America shirt. Anyway, T-top's back. All that goodness. Still need to sort out these lights, put these covers on, clean up this garage. The garage is a filthy ass mess. And I'm gonna go take a quick thumbnail, because that's what I do now. Thumbnails, never used to. And till then, I'm going to try to keep a little bit more frequent with this whole auto vlogging thing. That being said, that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for the support. I will see you all in the next one. Peace.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions. They blocking your vision, but no, you can't listen. That shit is all fiction, cause you hold the power as long as you're driven.